Get ready to improve your fingerspelling receptive skills by putting them to the test. Let's learn the basics. So one of the best ways to improve in any skill is to get more practice, and that's exactly what we're going to be doing today. And today is actually going to be the 7th installment in this fingerspelling practice series. If you'd like more videos like these, or if you'd like to binge through all of those videos, I'll be sure to leave a link in the description down below and also at the end of this video. And of course, if you would like to watch more videos like these, please consider subscribing to the channel and clicking that bell so you'll be notified each time I upload a new video. And so let's go ahead and get right into it. I'm going to be fingerspelling 3 names, and each one I will do at 3 different speeds. I'll do it at fast speed, a medium speed, and a beginner's speed. And if any of those speeds are too fast for you, you can actually further slow down the video by going down to the settings and adjusting the playback speed. So let's go ahead and do those 3 names. Okay, so those are all 3 names at 3 speeds each. And go ahead and put all of your answers down in the comment section down below. And also let me know what speed was most comfortable for you. Was it the fast speed, the medium speed, or the slow speed? Or were all of them too fast? Be sure to let me know in the comment section down below so I can make improvements or change up the pace of these series. And if you would like a refresher on the alphabet, or maybe curious why some people sign their N's and their M's differently like I did, be sure to check out the video up in the card above and also in the links in the description area down below. And if you found the video helpful, be sure to hit that like button. And until next time, I'll see you later. Bye.